In this video, we will learn how you can automatically send a channel message in Slack when a new issue is created in Jira. So let's say you run a business and you use Jira Service Management for work management purpose. Now you want every time a new issue is created in Jira, a channel message should be sent in Slack alerting your employees. We will automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let us come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically send a Slack message when a new issue is created in Jira, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, did you know that if you sign up for free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. Okay, it's loading. On top right, you can see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Jira to Slack, create. Now you will see two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens. Action says, do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when an order is placed, and action can be send a confirmation message to customer. So let us begin. For the trigger application, we will select Jira Service Management. For trigger event, we will select New Issue Created. So now it will show you a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So let us copy this. And now we will go to Jira where we have to paste this. For that, you can follow these instructions. So let us read. Log into Jira Service Management account. Yes, we have already logged in. Navigate to project settings, automation, and then create a rule. So let us go here. Let me select a project. Now come to the left hand side and you will see this project settings. Click there. Alright, then again on the left hand side, we will scroll and you will find automation. Now come to the right corner, you will see create rule. Okay, let us go back to Pabbly and read what it says now. Select issue created from issue trigger action, then click on save. Okay, so let us select issue trigger. Then it asks to select issue created. Now save. Alright, now let us go back and read what else it says. Okay, then send web request under notification section. Okay, so we have to select send web request. Now let us go to new action and you will select notifications. Then we'll click here send web request. So now here we will have to paste the URL. So let us go to Pabbly Connect, copy this URL, and then as you can read the instructions, copy the webhook URL and paste it under web request URL field. So let us just paste it. Now scroll down and let's see what more it says. Here it says select issue data of Jira format from web request body. Now let us come to web request body like you can see here. And we have to select issue data Jira format, not automation but Jira format. Okay, then let us just save it. Now it will ask you to name your automation. As you can see here, you will have to give a name and turn it on. As simple as that. We will just write trial, then turn it on. You can give whatever name you want and you will see your automation has been turned on. Now you will see it is waiting for webhook response. Now let us do a test submission to see if Pabbly is successfully connected with Jira Service Management. So let us go to Jira and try to create an issue there. Now back to projects, and on the top you can see create. So I will create an issue here. So now let us select the issue type. I will need IT help. Okay. Then select date would be, due date would be, let us say 12th August. Now summary would be, if anything, so I will just write integration error. Okay. Now I will have to assign it to someone. So I'll assign it to Pabbly apps. Okay. And then let us just create. So you can see we have created the issue. Like you can see here, integration error right at the bottom. The issue has been created. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the response. Yes, you can see the response has been captured. You can see here in the summary, it's integration error. That was our issue. And if you'll scroll further, you will see the due date is here. That was 12th August 2022 and so on. So this means we have successfully integrated Jira Service Management with Pabbly. Now on to our final step. For action, we will select Slack. For the action event, we will select Send Channel Message. Since we wish to send a message in our channel to our team, add new connection, connect with Slack. Okay, it will ask the token type here, either write user or bot. We will write user. Okay, scroll down. Since I was already connected to Slack, I was already logged into Slack, I will not have to give my credentials again. I will just click on allow and authorization successful. So now you can see it will show me my channel's name. Like here, I'll show you on Slack. On the left hand side, you can see these channels name. Okay, so now I will have to select the channel in which I wish to send the message. So I will select Jira integration. Like I'll tell you here it is. Yes, Jira integration. This is, I want to send a message into this channel whenever a new issue is created in Jira. Okay, so I've selected my channel. Now you will have to write a message. So let us just write, hey team, an issue has been created with the name. So let us map in the name here. We'll map it from here, like you can see. Okay, before we map it, you must be thinking, where are we getting this details from? Where are we getting this data from? So let me take you to step 1, where we connected Jira Service Management with Pabbly and made a dummy issue. So Pabbly captured this response. This is the exact same response that Pabbly has brought us here. Okay, so let us map it. We will just write what the summary. Okay, hey team, an issue has been created with the name this. Okay, it is a, so let us select the priority. The priority was medium. It is a medium priority task. The issue has been assigned to now we will map in the name of the person to whom we had assigned the issue. So let us just search with this using assignee. And yes, it was assigned to Pabbly apps. Click here. Then just write due date is. Again, we will map in the due date. Here it is. Kindly take note. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the message. Before we proceed further, I would like to tell you something about mapping. Here you can see the fields that we have mapped in. Here the issue name, that was integration error, the priority level of the task, that was medium, due date, and other details. So these details, these mapped details from next time will automatically be updated. So what happens is, whenever a new issue is created in Jira, this message box in Slack, this message box will automatically map in the new details, will pick the new details, that is the new issue's name, then the new due date, and so on, and you will not have to do these manually. Okay, so we are good to go. If you have any image URL, you can put it there. We will leave it empty for now. Now let us just save and send test request. Okay, it says response received. Now let us go to Slack and check if a message has been sent there. And yes, you can see in this Jira integration channel that we had selected, the message is here. Hey team, an issue has been created with the name integration error. Remember, we mapped in this field, and that's how it's going to come here. It's a medium priority task. We mapped this as well. The issue has been assigned to Pabbly apps. We mapped this. We mapped the due date as well. So this means we have successfully connected Slack and Jira Service Management using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.